Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in historic downtown Rosenberg. Come and see us. Our shop. Come down the street. We are right here, Alexander & Co., 819 3rd Street, or you can shop online. Here is some. Hey Marigold, good morning. How are you? We had a great live sale last night. Thank you for everyone that watched. You can still catch the replay on our page. I'll be posting the link later tonight so you can shop the collection in case you missed it. We'll be doing another live sale next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Central. I think we might have some new products as well next week. It should be coming in this week. We are open today from 11 to 4. Hey, Little Luxuries. Good morning. How are you? Make sure you follow us on all social platforms so you don't miss anything. This is Easter. We have some clothing in store only. But if you're local, you can come grab some clothing and jewelry. We have our Texas Bluebonnets. It's almost Bluebonnet season here in Texas. Got some florals. We also have our rodeo. If you're ready for rodeo, we've got San Antonio Rodeo coming up and Houston Rodeo coming up. Got this cute cowboy attachment here. Got some Brilliance cow ribbons, horse, bandana pattern, horse and cow signs. We have boots. We have the Texas flag. We have the leopard. We have pink. We have the floral boot. We also have a plain boot. We might not have it here, but we also have the plain boot where it's just brown. We have these attachments here by Misha from Misha's Pooh's Creations. She's one of our affiliates. Good morning, Emily. Good morning, Nancy. Thanks for watching. These are beautiful attachments. They're 15 each. They have the backing on the back. Really great quality, handmade by Misha. If you missed our live last night, catch the replay on our page. We did some spring and Easter. We are located in Rosenberg on 3rd Street. All seasons year-round in-store and online. We also have some St. Patrick's Day over here. Hey Sharon, good morning. Do y'all do a lot of St. Patrick's? It's not super popular here in the like Houston area. We do have a collection of it, and we can ship as well. Also just got some good greens, good for year round. This is one of our new deluxe ribbons that we have for Mardi Gras. It's the ornament garland, and it has the gold backing. This one's nice. It's $12.99, 1.5 inch, 10 yards. And then this one is really cool. This is like a lace in the middle. I'll show it to you. Let's see. This one looks really good on a wreath. We had a wreath here that had it, and it looked really cool. Sorry, I'm trying to open this. Look at that. It looks really cool on like a solid. Like if you put it in front of this purple. It's hard to do it with holding the phone in one hand, but you can see it looks really cool like that. That's one of my favorite Mardi Gras ribbons that we have. This was a sign that was in our subscription kit this month. Last month for January. If you join our Wreath subscription box, we send a Wreath kit every month. It's $50 plus shipping. It comes with 1 sign, 1 wreath form, 2 rolls of mesh, and 4 ribbons. Sometimes we throw a pick in there just to surprise you guys. Got the little king cakes. These crowns are really cute. Ornaments. You could put them on a tree or in a wreath. Got some lollipops and signs. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Come see us or shop online. See you soon.